Hello children, how are you all? Children, we have already studied or done the chapter pollution, and I have explained you in the class, but today I am giving you some important points which will make the chapter more clear to you. So children, will start with the chapter pollution. There are many types of pollution that will come across this lesson. Now in this chapter we will do all this, we will cover all this which has been given here, like definition of pollution, type of pollution, air pollution, then introduction, effect, causes of and prevention of air pollution, then again water pollution, same introduction, effect, causes and prevention, and then we will take the noise pollution. All this type of pollution will be done in this chapter. It is specially for the children, those who have not read the lesson, or those who will after reading also find some difficulty to understand. Here in this slides all important points are given so that you can understand well this chapter. So in the next slide we will see in the second that there are land pollution, introduction, causes, effect and prevention, and then there is also radioactive pollution which plays a very important role in polluting the environment. That also we will cover in this chapter. So children, be serious and see the slides, and I know that you will understand the chapter well. Now, what is the definition of pollution? When harmful substances contaminate the environment, it is called pollution. If the environment is contaminated by any harmful substance, that is known as pollution. Pollution refers to the very bad condition of environment in term of quantity and quality. Okay, so when impurities add in the atmosphere, it pollutes the atmosphere. Children, then next comes that type of pollution. What are the type of pollution which is given in your book? So according to that, there are 5 type of pollution. They are air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, land pollution and radioactive pollution. So they are 5 type of pollution which we will do in this chapter. And children, with pollution, the very important thing is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the life blanket of earth that you all know. It is therefore essential that we know more about the atmosphere and the ways in which it is polluted. How how the atmosphere is polluted, we will go through while we will see other slides. Now, what are the major pollution of air, causes of air pollution? Children, here in this topic, here in today's video, I am telling you only the major points. So major sources of air pollution are industries, automobiles and domestic fuels, high proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. So these are the important causes of air pollution. After this we will move to other pollution. Here is whatever we have studied about, whatever kind of pollution, how air pollution affect human being. Not only human being, it affect plant, animal and the atmosphere as whole. So it does not only affect the life of human being but also plant and animal. So here you can see animal is also shown here. So that means the life of human being as well as animal is affected by the air pollution. Now, how should we avoid air pollution? We can avoid air pollution by use of natural gases like LPG, autos. Do not burst crackers. Children, every year before Diwali, you would have remembered that father during assembly or in assembly based on no pollution, you are continuously reminded that you should not burn crackers, very less cracker, because it pollutes the atmosphere. Use less amount of fuel for vehicle, avoid using and use electric stove, biogas. So these are some ways we can avoid air pollution, and it will help to keep the environment clean. Now all this water, next one is children water, and children water is God's valuable gift. Okay, we cannot think of any work which can be done without water. Now how the water is polluted, and first of all, what is the definition of water pollution? Got the contamination of water with undesirable substances which make it unfit for uses is termed as water pollution. Means anything which pollute, if anything is added in the water and you cannot use it, you cannot drink it, you cannot use it, then it is polluted water. Pollution is there in water. So now what are the causes of water pollution? About 40% of deaths worldwide are caused by water pollution, children. Water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents discharged into the river. This we have already studied, and many times through your picture study and through your lessons, while we have already explained you, and not in science or geography, other in Hindi also so many times we have done that the unwanted things which are waste material which comes through the industries, factories, and they are discharged into water, pollute the water. Noise also cause anxiety, stress and reaction and fright. All these are kind of pollution, children. So we should help avoid. Now these are the picture which shows you how water is being polluted. Okay, and this is the problem worldwide, and India naturally major, most of this kind of pollution takes place in India only because of the factory and all. Now what are the effects of water pollution? Diseases, many type of diseases like cholera, malaria, typhoid, and especially typhoid which is spread during the rainy season, and even aquatic life get destroyed. All the animals, all the living beings that lives in the water, fish and all, their life also get destroyed because of the discharge of this kind of industrial waste in the water. So children, how to avoid water pollution? Is there any way to avoid pollution? So we all should keep it in mind. River should not be used for washing clothes or bathing animal. Animal should not be those who keep animal, cows, buffaloes and all, they should not bathe the animal in the water. Washing clothes should not be done. Harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirement. Rainwater should be collected and it can be used for harvesting requirement. Dam and embankment must be created. The river must not be contaminated again. The sacred river like Ganga, the dead bodies should not be thrown. Means it is a ritual in Hindu belief that they throw water because Ganga is considered a very holy river. So dead bodies are thrown in the river Ganga, and that pollute because children, because Ganga is considered very holy, that water is drunk by the people. Every Hindu family, they keep the water, Ganga Jal, and their home. Very sacred it is considered. So why to make it untidy, or why to throw this dead bodies or other things in water? Even people take bath and then they wash clothes and all that, they make the water dirty. So because it is a holy river, we should not do that. That noiseless atmosphere. Noise can be simply defined as unwanted sound. The sound is pleasant or not depend upon its loudness, duration and rhythm. Now, and the mood of the person. Noise pollution not only result in irritation and anger also. So children, here I have done. Next class I will do about the noise pollution and other radioactive pollution and other pollution. I will send you in other video. By till here I have done and covered at least more than half chapter. So go through these points and it will be easy for you to understand the chapter. And don't forget to read the chapter, children. If you have any problem, you can ask me during the class or you can send the comment. So children, by that time, take care of yourself. Have a good day.